So when I come back, I need to clean this chair and those 3 chairs, vacuum, clean up these things from the corner here, and we should be good to go. Then we're gonna have the dining room Christmas ready.
For me, been an awful good girl, Santa baby, so hurry down the chimney tonight.
A true Jamaican Christmas greeting I extend to you. Just come on over, there is room. There's no winter time, there's just sweet sunshine at Christmas Jamaican style.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another Vlogmas video. Guys, I'm doing this. We're still cleaning up the house. We're still trying to decorate. So yesterday you saw where I did the living room. So now we're moving on to the dining room. And let's see if we can actually touch the kitchen today. Alright, so if you haven't already subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. Like this video, share this video, and drop a comment. Let me know if you're enjoying these Vlogmas videos, these cleaning with me, getting the house ready videos. Okay, I told you guys that I'll be looking crazier than normal through these videos because I'll be cleaning. And yeah, maybe my New Year resolution is to get myself together, but I tried that. I didn't work last year or the year before, so it is what it is. But anyways guys, let's go clean. So guys, this is the dining room that we're working with. Yes, I still have birthday decorations for my daughter's birthday all the way from October. It just never come that long. Anyways, don't judge me. So this is the dining room that we're dealing with today. We already have our cleaning supplies here on the ground. We have the mats and stuff that's going to go into the kitchen. We have some fandangos here and some in the box. So yeah, that's what we're working with. I'm going to be changing this out, changing those out, just switching them a little bit, tweaking the bouquet a little bit, switching that out. So you will see what the end result will be. If you watched my previous video regarding when I was actually transforming my dining room, I remember telling you guys that based on the space, when I actually put all 8 chairs, it was too big for the dining room. Like, it was given no space at all. So I told you that I was going to remove 2 of the chairs, remove the middle piece as well, and so I can actually get more space. However, my husband's like, just leave it alone. Like, holidays coming up, we may have people coming over, and it works for more people. So for right now, until I find somewhere to put it, because of the color chair, I don't want to just put up in storage and then it spoils the color, right? So for right now, we still have all 8 seaters, which is still tight. As you can see, I can hardly go around the area. But I still have my table and stuff, so we're keeping it as it is, and then I will change it in the future. So I'm decorating it for 8 seats for right now. Guys, look how this look big on me. This is oversized. It's an old fashioned Nova, different topic. It's an old fashioned Nova sweatsuit that I had for over 4 years now. It was supposed to be army green, I washed out a little bit, but yeah, over maybe 3 years now. Yeah, so anyways, it was cold outside, still a little bit chilly, so I know I'm going to be grabbing the kids shortly because it is now after 2. So I'm like, let me just keep it on, but if it starts getting too hot, you might see me change it because it is very thick inside. This morning was like 24 degrees outside, and it kept me warm with my little boots. So that's why I'm looking like this dressed up in the house, okay? Like a hot mess and stuff, but we're gonna clean. So let's go back to the cleaning, okay? All right, guys, so we have a little bit of dilemma. So while I was actually taking out the table runner, putting it on the table, I realized that it is too short. So it's literally like right here, like it's so short. So this cannot work at all, right? It's too exact. So I went ahead just now and to see if I could actually return it, and you know, only to find out that the return window was literally like a week ago. So I couldn't do it online, but luckily I called Amazon and they were able to actually schedule a return. So I'm going to drop this off, and they weren't able to do a replacement, so I have to go and purchase. I did see a longer size. This one is 14.5 by 90 inches, and I did see another one that is 108 inches. So I'm going to go and purchase that one right now. Hopefully it says that it would be delivered by tomorrow, and then tomorrow when I drop the kids off at school, I'll just go by Whole Food and drop this off. So I don't know if I should continue cleaning up the dining room. I'm gonna still see what I can do, but I'm gonna make that purchase right now. So let's see. All right, guys, so I just went ahead and made the purchase, and luckily I'm actually getting it cheaper because it's on sale. So guys, I figured I'm going to continue with the decoration. I'm just going to leave the runner area blank for right now. I'm still going to put up all the candles and all the decor, and then tomorrow when the stuff come out, I'll take it back off and just fix it, because I can't leave all these stuff on the floor. Like, that would make no sense right now, and I'm trying not to be demotivated, you know. All right, guys, so what I just realized with these, I don't know if you had watched the video when I was actually taking out the stuff when, you know, doing the haul for these, and I said to you that it looked a little short. Well, they're not short, but they're very uneven. They're wide though, like it's wider than the normal placemats, and they're not all the same size. Like it's very uneven. They still look beautiful, but they're like uneven. So I had to be finding a very strategic way of putting it for it not to be looking extremely weird. You know what I mean? But again, they're beautiful and stuff, but they're not all the same size. I don't know. I don't know if you guys can actually see what I'm talking about. So I have these plastic mats underneath, like to absorb any, because these are cloth, right? To absorb the water or any liquid that spill. But just look on how this is versus how this one is. I don't know if you can see the edges. right? Like I literally have to be stretching them for them to actually fit. Like they, look at this one, you see that? So I have to be stretching them. So this is what it's looking like right now. So when the runner comes tomorrow, I'll basically take these up and replace, you know, take these and get it all sorted out. So it's actually time for me to go and grab the kids. I still have a whole bunch of stuff on the floor. I have to go grab them now. It's time for them. It's actually, what, some minutes after 4. And I don't know why I put back the chairs. Put back the chairs and did not vacuum yet. You can't tell me how that makes sense? So anyhow, I'm gonna go. You realize I actually changed my clothes because, sorry for the lighting, I changed my clothes because it was getting really, really hot in doing all that in that hoodie, in that sweatpants. So here I am. So I am gonna just grab all my clothes again and go pick up I don't know what's going on with my face. Like my face is a mess. It's just a mess. So I'm gonna go grab on. See, I threw them right here. So I'm just gonna literally just put them over this. And nothing will change because it's literally 16 minutes after 4, which means I have 15 minutes to get to the stop. They're normally there by 4:30. So let me see if I can get there. So I'm gonna go pick them up, come home, get some dinner ready. Or let me finish that first. I have them snack on something. While I just finish up that little area because I just need to vacuum. Yeah, I just need to vacuum and clean the chairs that I just placed back. The last 3 chairs. And then I'll just cook some dinner. Not sure what's gonna happen with the kitchen, if I'm gonna still do the kitchen tonight or maybe tomorrow. The good thing about the place, guys, it's not as dirty, so I don't really have to do that drastic deep clean like I normally do. The whole house, I realize, is like that. Like, so that kind of helped me. I think because I did that redecorating recently, the house is not that dirty, so that really helps. So I'm going to I just need to do the vacuum when I come back and clean. All right, I'm here. Do the vacuum when I come back and clean the chairs and then cook some dinner. I will be showing you some cooking videos, but not today, right? Like I'll show you. Obviously, I have a whole lot of videos to show you guys. You know, it's Vlogmas, and I'm not even sure what day I'm on right now. But obviously, dinner vlogs are coming up, or dinner videos are coming up. My house smells so good. I'll just go by this chair. You know, honestly, the place in the civil. Looking at it doesn't even look bad without the runner. But I still in my runner. It doesn't look bad, right? Come on, it doesn't look bad at all. I'm trying to fix this freaking chair. Yeah, it doesn't look bad. It looks Christmassy. So now I come back. I need to clean this chair and those 3 chairs. Vacuum, clean up these things from the corner here. And we should be good to go. Then we're gonna have the dining room Christmas ready, and then we have this mess over here to clean up. But hey, we're gonna grab the kids. Where are my glasses? I'm gonna turn off the light. Oh my god, magic got my eye. I didn't even start the car yet. Oh my god, outside it's so cold. Jesus, please. I want to be late. Alright. Just start the car. Turn off the light. in the darkness. Have this light too. So this year, guys, I won't be, the only thing I'm doing on the outside is this. That's just wreath. I'm not decorating outside this year because the step is a hot mess. Still not ready to finish. So therefore, I did not get the chance to do what I need to do on the outside yet. So I'm not going to decorate outside this year because it's just demotivating. And since everything is not done, it doesn't make any sense. So anyway, I'm going to go grab the keys. I'll see when I get back. Guys, look at this. It actually looked lighter on the camera versus how it's looking. It is 4:24 to be exact. And outside, dark. Like it's midnight. You see all these lights and it's 4:25. That's crazy. Guys, I don't know what's going on in my camera. Like, I don't feel like it's... I don't know. Like, why is it showing like this? This is weird. Anyways, I'm here at the stop. They're not here yet. But like, it's... I don't know if you guys can see. It's like, it's pitch black outside. Every light is on. It's pitch black outside. See? I know the camera makes it look a little brighter. I don't know what's going on with this camera. It's good that it's showing light, but the bus is coming. You see that light behind me? Right here. The bus is here. The bus is here. I made it just on time. I'm back.
A true Jamaican Christmas greeting I extend to you. Just come on over there.